Coming through the front door and down the entry hall, this is the living room. It is a corner unit on the top floor with awesome skyline views. All hardwood floors throughout the entire unit. This bedroom could be used as an office or as a second bedroom, whichever you like. They use it as a second bedroom. Dual closets. Once again, you have an awesome skyline view. And we'll just take a peek. There is your view from both bedrooms and the living room. Going into the kitchen. The refrigerator and washer and dryer will convey with the property. Granite countertops. Extra tall cabinetry. Once again, a view of the city. You have your guest bath here. And into the master. Same side view of the city. And master bath. Pedestal sink. Mosaic tile flooring. And bath shower.